I like the doctor to bring me down.
You mean the nurse?
The doctor.
Like the doctor is on right now, sir.
What's your name?
My name is Dorothy. I was in here earlier talking with you.
Earlier?
Yeah, remember you were standing up and you requested for a shot
Nah, I don't remember all of that.
and your nicotine patch?
Not too sure. But yeah, just call the doctor and have them come. Actually, call the doctor and tell them I need some adjustment with this IV.
Okay.
I'm actually about to go to sleep, so we could chill on the CAT scan.
Are you gonna go down to the CT?
Not today. I'll probably do it tomorrow. Your earpiece fell out. Your earpiece fell out. The earpiece that you had in it just fell out. It hit the floor. Something fell out of your ear when you was leaving. There you go.
Oh, that came with my gown.